So today we are going to redraw the given task, which involves different types of layers and types of lines as per the layers. So for the main tools we will be using, we will be trimming and maybe fillet, among others which we will come across on our way. So to get videos like this for solving problems in Autocad, Autocad and technical drawing, kindly subscribe. And if you have any question or a comment, kindly don't hesitate to leave it or to comment. So let's start by interpreting our question. So our layers, we have outline, center line and dimension line, the colors, and we have the line type, and we have line weight. So go to layers, set the layers appropriately as shown above. So then come back. So let's now start by interpreting now the drawing, having set the layers above. So you are seeing we have the center lines. We have the dimensions of this drawing will be 80, 60 and 40. So we'll have these two squares. The first square is this one, the second square is this one, and the third square will be this one. Then now you come and trim, you come and draw the circles and then trim now to be semicircles, and then on the other end you fillet to get a good edge, and then you finish up by drawing the curve, the semicircles outside this drawing. So let's go without wasting our time. Let's start from scratch. So having seen your layers, so let's start from scratch. So the first step we are going to start with is draw what we call a construction line. So let's say this one is our center. So this one is our center line. And then here then escape. So for our case now, this one is our center line for this drawing. So this one is the center line, this one is this part, the line passing through here until here, because we have this square, we should have the dimensions. So and then there's the other one which is horizontal, is this line which is going across this part. Okay, let's go back to our drawing. So the first thing you need to do, go activate the first line will be our to start with. We will start with our line edges. Our line will be center line here, and the center line, and then we draw now our squares. So as you can see, so let's see this distance. What's the distance between here, the center, to this edge? The distance between the center to this edge, so it will be 35, which is from here to here, half of it, because we are at the center. So it's 17.5 plus 40, which is 57.5. So this distance will be 57.5 to this side, and then 17.5 plus this radius. We have radius, the maximum radius here is radius 40, so 17.5 plus 40 again, so it will be 57.5. So we'll draw our lines. Center lines will be 57.5 by 57.5. So so let's start here. Sorry, let's go to line. So the line we are drawing is center line. So go to layers, choose your line which you had specified, which is the center line. So this one is, so I have activated the center line. Then 57.5 from here. Sorry. So I choose the line here, and then from here is 57.5. Should be 0 degrees. So it is 57.5, and then angle is 270, I guess. Okay, then enter. So it's not actually 270, it's not. So let's start afresh. Let's pick our line, then go 57.5. Then on the other end again we have another line, sorry, 57.5 again from this end. So 57.5, enter. Then from the other end now, and then we have, sorry, so let's zoom in first. Sorry. So the other center line we've done with horizontal, we'll go up to this edge. So our end, the first distance from this center is 80, which is, so 80 from this end to this end. So from the center, as you can see very clearly, we have 40 above this 80, 40 plus the maximum end here, and the maximum radius here is it radius 17.5, as you can see from the top. So 17.5. So you measure 17.5 plus 40, which is 57.5. So you can see this thing is like a square. So this distance again, you draw a line here, .5. Sorry, 57.5. Enter, and then come again this line, 57.5. 6.5. Enter, enter. So as you can see now, we have so we have our drawing now. So let's delete these construction lines, having drawn now the center lines. This one can just guide us. So let's delete this construction line here. So we are left now with our maximum, with our drawing now with our center line. So the next step here will be to draw now the square, the distance. So having our square here, we'll draw now a distance of 17.5, 17.5 and 20 from the center. So as you can see, what we will start with is this square here, and this square here. So it is the distance of 35, which is 17.5 from the center, to plus, so it's 35 from this edge, and then a height of 40. So let's come to our drawing from the center. So this one was our center line. So let's draw now. So the distance from, so let me draw first distance. Let me just select this one, sorry, and then then join with this one first, and let me join first, let me join. So I'm joining this part and this part, and then enter. Let me join. Oh, sorry, I can just type join, enter, all, enter. So it's now so it's not yet joined. So type join, enter, all, and to join all, enter. Okay, so we've joined all. So now let's now select this part, then go to we'll be using the second line. So this line now, is it visible? No, it's not visible yet, so it's still the center line. So I'll just go modify, then I'll move, or I will take a copy. So I'll offset, sorry. So a distance of, so I'll offset at a distance of 17.5. Enter. So this one is my point, sorry, yes, and then escape. So again I offset this part, modify, sorry, then I offset, so specify the offset distance, so 17.5 again, then press enter. Specify the point on the side of the offset, so it's this side. Then now, so let's now go to, so we are yet to draw our squares. So this one, extend this one, extend, so you extend, so just leave it, skip. So extend command is not responding, so let's just extend manually. So I need this line again. So this line was what's it? Oh, sorry. So let me just offset this one. Modify offset. So, and then, sorry, just go to modify offset. So offset distance is 17.5 again, 5 again, enter. So the point or the side, then skip, come again, offset this side, so offset this side 17.5, enter. So and it is this side, yes. Then now the next step for this case is also, so it's a distance of, as you can see here, so it is 20, so it is a distance of 40, so it's 20. And then we have a distance of 6, which is 30. And then we have another one, which is, so 40, 60, 80. So 20, 30. So let's offset again, sorry. These ones must join. What's happening? So click this one, offset again, offset at the distance of 20, sorry, select this one and this one, then modify offset a distance of 20, enter. Sorry, so modify offset a distance of 20, enter, then you offset on that side again. So again this one side, this one on this side, this one on this side, then enter. So then again, so it's 20, 40, 60, 80, so then 30, so I'm adding 10, 10, so then offset again, so I'm offsetting at a distance of 10, 10, enter. Okay, again this side, again I'm offsetting this side, again I'm offsetting this side, so it is 20, 30, so add 40, so 40, then this one is for 40 again. The next step is still to, so I'm done with this side, I guess. So on this side is still, so the end, it was 17.5 again. So 17.5, we have the center line. Okay, so I guess the center lines are almost done. So let's now go to the next layer. As you can see here, so we are done with the center lines, this one, 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 this one. So the next now is we now go to our line. Which type of line? Center line, we are done. We have the outline now. So our outline now, we'll go to this layer first. Go to layers and check, go to outline now. So we activate the outline layer. So we will start by drawing this side. So here we'll draw here from this center. We'll draw our circle. 1 circle, 2, 1 circle, 2 circles, 3 circles. So let's go. So I guess you are seeing that one. So so I guess you are seeing. So let's go to a circle command. Circle command here. Let's start with a circle of radius. So the first circle is radius 20 from here. Radius 20. Enter. Then the other side again. Sorry. So go to circle command. Go to radius 20. So radius 20. And then we have again another circle, radius 30 and radius 40, I guess. So radius 30, radius 30, radius 40, radius 40, enter. So again another circle here. That's it. So it's here, radius 30. Then another circle, radius 40. So after that, now let's trim first. First things first, let's trim to make it appealing. So the first is our first circle. Oh, sorry. First of all, let's deal with one side to avoid confusion. Kindly, let's start with one side to avoid confusion. So this one is our center line. This one is our, yes. So go modify, trim. So you are trimming this end. No. It's trimming the wrong side. So let's trim this circle as it meets with this one. So trim. So let's select this one, and then this one, then trim. Yeah, again let's select this one, and then this one. So I guess we are done with that one. So let's go the other side. So the other side will be the same again. So circle. So this is my radius 20. Let me just, okay, another circle. Let radius 30. Then another circle. Radius 40. Okay, so let's start our trimming now. And this one, let's go to modify, trim. You can just go to tools, modify, trim, or just type trim. then remove that one, and then remove this one. So we are almost done now. And then my scale is too small. Yeah. So let's go next step now is to draw this, the square on this square on this side. So on this side we only had 2 circles, so it's like this one we don't require. Then as you can see here, you can see from the drawing we have this line from this center, from this edge. At the end here we have this line, and then this line, so the distance of 80, the distance of 80, we have a square here. Then we have these 2 semicircles. Okay, so this one was our distance of, I guess it was this one, just 80. So let's go and draw our line. So the distance of 80, we had this one. I'm not wrong. Then at this center, from the end of this, we have a circle of radius 6, diameter 16, radius 8. So here we have radius 8, on the outside it's radius 17.5. So let's draw a circle from this point, radius circle from this point. So from this point, radius 8, enter. And then again another circle from this end, radius 17.5, enter. But this one now is trimmed, so select, we are trimming from this end, this end, and this end. So trim, so let's just trim. So we don't want this side, enter. So we are done with that side. And then this side are we left, so we have to join this side, oh sorry, not yet. Okay, so let's go for a circle again. From this end we have diameter 16, radius 8, and then again we have another circle here, 17.5. enter. And we don't want this side, so sorry, so let's trim first. So let's select this side, this one and this one, then trim, modify, trim. So we are trimming the inner one, enter. Okay, so we are almost coming out with our, so first again we have not completed this edge, so this one not completed this side. Then this side again. Okay, so which side again we've not, okay, so which side are we not, we not solved. So on these edges where diameter 60 is meeting, we have a circle of radius, very tiny circle of radius, diameter 8, which is radius 4. So as you can see, we have these circles here. So let's draw these circles first. Okay, so radius 4, radius 4, radius 4. So it is this end, enter. So we circle 4, enter. And this, and again, sorry, and this end again, 4, enter. We have another one here, again 4, enter. So which side are we left? So this one, we have this side. 4 again, enter. We have 4, enter. Okay, so which part are we left with? Which part are we left with? So the remaining thing now is to join these parts. So this part is to fillet first. So modify. So let's fillet first. So let's join first. is radius 6. Okay. So come again here, just fillet here. I guess you are good to go now. After filleting now, sorry, so this one was radius 10. Yeah, so you fillet with radius 10, and then the next thing now is so let's go back before we go far. Let's go back and fillet with radius 10. So fillet with radius 10. Okay. Yeah. Sorry. So we are done with fillet. So we want to do what again? Okay, so we have a smooth curve here, all turn, the radius of 8. So we turn. So radius 8. Okay, then we have this one. Enter. Sorry, this one. This one. So let's go and fillet again. Let's go by radius. I told it is radius 8. Enter. So enter again. So it is this side. On this side. So radius 8. Okay. So it's misbehaving. Okay, so I guess our drawing is done now. So the remaining thing is just dimensioning, if I am not wrong. So as you can see, so let's go to dimensioning. Before you go to dimensioning, go to the layer for dimensioning. So dimensioning was this layer. So activate. Then okay. After that, so when you go to dimensioning, let's start with linear dimensions. sorry, that's dimension. Let's start with linear dimensions from this side to this side. Then what's the next thing again? So dimension, linear dimension from that point to that point, linear dimension from this point to this point again. So then we have okay, so we have dimension again, linear dimension. We have from this point to this point, just come here. Then we have dimension, we have radius by radius. So dimension that one, dimension radius, this one is the same. So this one is the same as that one. So dimension by radius, so dimension by radius, so dimension by radius. So I guess this one now is done. So as you can see now, this one is 30.00. This one is radius 40. Yeah. So if you have any question, kindly leave a comment. So thank you so much for your time. So please subscribe and like, so that can motivate me to make more videos like this. Thank you so much.